my name is Robert Duval. I'm the owner of Duval Precision Grinding. Been in business for 45 years here. The address here is 1700 Newport Circle, Suite N here in Santa Ana, California. So here at Duval Precision Grinding, we do OD and ID grinding. Specialize in gear grinding here. We support the industry for doing aerospace and military, some stuff for SpaceX and other companies like that. Some of the parts we do are flight critical, and some of the stuff is also a lot of military stuff we do here. Currently, I have the G20P 50 CNC, and I started doing a lot of ID grinding on that. I did some OD grinding on that too, and being able to hold tents and making adjustments on your fingertips, it's priceless. Another machine I just purchased was this straight OD grinder, which is the G32P 50 CNC. Really getting to learn this machine. I'm able to do shafts on it. I'm also able to, with the help of a chuck, I'm able to do just straight OD grinding off of that without using centers. Just really enjoy it. I think the best part about this machine is the ability to dress. The machine dresses on its own, and then it adjusts for size automatically for you. As far as application, we do OD grinding. We do OD and face grinding, which it has a touch-off probe here, which is very nice. And I can make those adjustments from taking off 5/10ths to 1/1000s to 2/1000s. It has a fine rough feed. It has a fine feed rate for both side grinding and doing OD grinding. Just really love the machine.
Having the CNCs, does that help you with setup time?
Yes, it does. Fairly easy to get the machine straightened. I do have the ability to grind multiple diameters. I can touch off of a face, grind that diameter, slide over, grind another diameter. It's endless. If you've got a part with multiple diameters, it definitely can do it. And then, like I said, the ability to right now, I do a lot of Inconel grinding, and I'm able to, back off. It's able to adjust for, dressing and come back, and I can dress every part, every 5 parts, whatever I feel like. If you know anything about Inconel, it's tough to grind. So I'm dressing every part, and it's able to come back and hold size. So when I first bought my smaller machine that has the capability of doing ID and OD grinding, I needed some fixtures and wheels and hubs and things like that, and I was able to get a hold of Supertec, and that really helped me out because they're local for me, and they were able to order it and give me a price on it, and even the stuff that was back overseas was able to get to me fairly quickly, and it didn't have the customer waiting all that long. So that really helped out a lot. When I did get my straight OD machine, I did get a chuck with it, and everything came. I had to get a face plate to hold the chuck, and they were really helpful in help. What I needed to order to get the job running. I ordered diamonds through them. Just everything really at your fingertips. I've also, within the business, I was able to talk to a gentleman named Marco, and programming, he's really helped me out in programming. It's just easy to get a hold of. If you need help, he'll contact you right away, even if he's busy. He gets back to you right away. On the final thoughts here, I wish I could fill up my business with more of these Supertecs. They're really easy to run. Programming, I'm able to get the programs done. if we're, any issues, I know Supertec's more than willing to come down and help us out and do all the programming or, get it going. And when I change between parts, new jobs, I'm able to recall those jobs and do the touch offs on those and get the job running. And I've had these machines for a couple of years now. I would definitely highly recommend purchasing these Supertecs.